Hi everybody, welcome to my Executive Ranch. This is part 2 of my How About Right Now initiative to get a few things done around my house. I figured out that the problem with my washing machine, is the agitator dogs, I think, the little part that makes the agitator actually engage. And so I went to this handy site called Appliance Parts Pros. Let's see, where is it? appliancepartspros.com. I put in the model number from my washing machine, which is 110-248-52300. It's a very old one. And I found a bunch of agitator parts. And the piece that I need is going, I believe, to be these agitator dogs, which are on sale. So I'm going to order them and we'll see how it goes. I've picked out 5 parts that I think I need after evaluating my washing machine. The main thing I probably need is these agitator dogs, which help the agitator catch instead of just sort of, I guess, not catching and not agitating. But I also am ordering a new washer for the agitator bolt and a new agitator washer because I think it's probably always a good idea to replace washers. And I also got these things called an anti-rattle screw and an anti-rattle clip because obviously things not rattling is good. And I have no other logic behind it than that, but I figure it's an extra $8. Who cares? Okay, and that's my update. Talk to you guys soon.